guys, welcome back to Staying Creative. Today I will be unboxing my mini Philippine National Cook Set. This came all the way from the Philippines. One of my friends had her uncle bring it back from the Philippines for me for Christmas, and I'm so excited to open it. So let's get right to it. Now, I don't know if I need a scissor, if I can just pop this open. Oh yay, I can just pop it open. Oh crap. Ooh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Check this out. Anyway, I'm just going to say what I think this is. This is like a caldereta pot, and it's super cute. It's a mini version of the real thing that we use to cook beef caldereta, chicken adobo, really any kind of stew or soup. But this is made out of aluminum, I believe. And it's super cute. Look at that. And you can actually cook in these things. And it says Pinoy Ware Philippines. Can you see that? Okay, so in this Philippine National cookware set, you get one of these. I'm gonna call it my caldereta set, or my caldereta pot. And then you get a mini wok. Look at this, people. If you weren't going crazy right now, I don't know what's wrong with you, because look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is a replica of the regular size one that we use to make fried rice, pancit, any kind of stir fry, chop suey, anything that you would stir fry in a wok. This is the mini version. Look at that. Anyway, so you get one of these. I'm gonna call this like a mini wok set, or a mini wok. And then you get the spatula, and this is all made out of aluminum, and it's got the little hole just like the regular one, the regular size one for hanging, and you use it to cook. So let's say you're making fried rice or something, or stirring some kind of chop suey. Use this to stir it all up. Yay, look at that. And then you get the actual, this is what you would actually use to cook. But this is glued down. Oh, whoops. I don't know if that was supposed to happen. But you put your coal and stuff there, and then you put your little grill thing, and then you light it. You put the little match right there. And then you put your pan right on top, and you cook away. Look at that. So this is the oven or stove oven, right? No, stove oven. This is the stove part of the cook set. And then you get like a big old serving spoon. I think we call these sunduks. I don't know, but it's like a serving spoon. And then so this is very common in a lot of Asian kitchens. It's a pot that you use to cook rice. So we were using this way back before we got a rice cooker. And you put the rice in there, and you measure like your finger how much water you need to put, and then you put it in there, and you just let it cook in this little rice cooker. Look at that. Then this is a lot heavier duty than the other pot. It's designed to hold heavier things, or be on the stove a lot longer while it cooks over. There you go. And there's my little mini rice cooker. So let me show you everything you get. So you get your rice cooker, your wok with your lid, your caldereta or adobo pot, I don't know, utensils. You get the sandok, or the serving spoon, and your spatula. Then you get the stove. So you get all of that in this Philippine National Cook Set from the Philippines. And this is made in the Philippines. It's our national cook set, but this is the mini version. They're about a couple inches in diameter. And my friend got me 2 of them. So they also come in individual sets. So let me just go ahead and put my set over here, not to get confused with this other stuff. So this is a larger size mini wok, And it is the Philippine National Cookware Replica Set. And it's made by Grand Eagle. I don't know if you can see that. But this is a bigger wok. And I'm actually asking her if she could possibly get me a couple more of these. Because this one is more substantial. I can make more pancit or more fried rice or more whatever. Versus this little one. But for mini cooking, this is perfect. But for portion control, if you just want to cook smaller portions for individual servings, this is, I think, a better size wok. So I've got that. And it's very sturdy. And it's got, I don't know if you could see, it's got the two little handles on the side. So somewhere to hold when it gets hot. And then this set comes with another spatula and serving spoon and another mini wok and a caldereta set and a rice cooker. So she got me two of these sets, and then she got me a little steamer. This is a cute mini steamer. It's the Philippine National Cookware Replica Set. So let me open this up. So this is perfect if you have one little baby siopao or just a few things of vegetables or something. Maybe some broccoli, a couple things of broccoli, some flowerets of broccoli. So you put the water down here, and then you put maybe your vegetables in a little itty bitty siopao right there, and you put it in your cooker and it steams away. This is super cute. Look at that. And there you go. The perfect serving for some baby siopao, dim sum, and some steamed vegetables. Voila. Check that out, everyone. And ta-da! Let's see. And then this set, it's almost the same as this set with the mini wok rice cooker and caldereta set with the two utensils. The only difference is this set comes with the cooker. So it's pretty much everything that the original set came in. This one right here, the Philippine National Cookware Set. It's everything that comes in here, but just in this packaging, not in this fancy packaging. So I think I am totally set. I have so many of these. I will be making some Filipino dishes on my mini cookware set in my mini cooking series. So I hope you stay tuned for that. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Maybe cooking something on this. Bye-bye. Stay creative.